I am Emma Burns with the St. Paul Downtown Alliance, and these are my steps and stops. We're gonna head over to Pocketful of Posies, a small independent floral shop. Susan, the woman who owns the flower shop, is just the sweetest, and they just have the best selection. So this is just one example of some amazing public art in downtown, especially on this block, which is also home to the M Museum. They've commissioned some incredible pieces. They've turned their windows into individual gallery spaces, but not only the M, anywhere in downtown you can find public art. Because normally I'm ordering flowers for other people,
right.
And today they're mine. They are. What can we get that's gonna be super colorful? It's such a treat to be able to like walk by and know you're here. And
how does that look?
That looks great. So great. So excited. All right, I've got my flowers. I'm gonna go put these in some water and head to Subtext Bookstore. They have this incredible ability to recommend a book for anything you could need.
This is just a great summer read.
Perfect.
Yep.
Book lovers.
Yep.
A rom-com lover's dream of a book.
There
That
you
sounds
go.
like summer. Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks, Sue.
You're welcome.
It's the best in here. I love it. I've got my book and I've got some time to kill before roller skating starts, so I'm gonna drop by the Loon, sit on the patio, and have a drink. Grape Ape, chili sampler, fries. It's everything. It's everything. Cheers. Okay, let's walk this way. I'm feeling ready to go check out roller skating in Rice Park, which is a new event that we started this summer. Friday evenings from 5:30 to 8:30, you can bring your own skates, you can borrow skates, or you can just hang out like I'm going to and watch all of the amazing skaters that come to Rice Park. I'm Emma Burns with the St. Paul Downtown Alliance. This is Juno. Thank you for joining us on my Steps and Tops. We'll see you later.